exhibiting here at Diverse Perspective, a group art exhibition created by Iwebameji Kubakin Fils. It's a group art exhibition by 9 amazing Nigerian artists. Pull up, come through, pick something up. When you get here, there's definitely something that you are going to love.
I've gone through artworks and I can tell you for free that they are super duper amazing.
Talks about the diversity in Africa, our languages, our food, everything.
And the most interesting thing about my painting is that it comes to life once you put your smartphone. So there's a barcode you scan, the camera on it, and it actually comes to life.
A mindset, just have to keep going. Pull up, enjoy beautiful art. Peace out.